Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Khasi Hills District ke kong Rosita M Kurba habakren bat kilat pathai khubor menta ke sengi ke khat arterik ujileo kala ong ha ke bayadei bat ke jing Pyntreikam ye ke odd but even system ye ki kali kamai da ke babot ye ki hukum ki bala penmi de ke yeng kasari namar kumbala yo I ba ke jing khapnya hapo ke nong ba kala long sabapalat kumta la kintu ban wat ye ki lat kinenti ha ke bayadei ban penjensor ya ke jing khapnya nakaliang ke kong kurba kala ong bah ke hukum la penmi ya artli ki jaka bat ka klem penmi ban Pyntreikam je ka odd but even numbers habaro ka wei ka nong ba bat ka daw ba jet ikini ki artli ki jaka namar kum bala sakhi ba kini ki artli ki jaka bala jet ban Pyntreikam je ka odd but even numbers kini ki jaka ki barit bat ki ba wanra ka jing khapnya kala ong ru hadin ka jing persang la sakhi bakani ka rukom ka yarap Henry klempat perking ki kindon bat kala ongru ba kala yo pediang ye ka sithi ne ki nongelam ka seng ki nongnya kali ki bala dawa ban lech ka yeng ka sari bat kaliang jongka kum ke Deputy Commissioner kadang up ye ki jubab bat ong ba shen hagni ka tayo hi an sedang no ban penlong ka jing tokit bat pet benya haga ba dei bat ka jing ya odd but even numbers jong ki kali kamai shishu kala ongru ba ka daw ba klem penlong ye ka jing tokit bat pet benya hagni ki sngi bala dep kadai na mar ba kadang up ye ka jubab badru la sakhi baka jingkhapnya ahagini ki jaka kala khamduna Naduh ba Pyntreikam je gini ka hukum kumta na kaliang ka office kan sedang no hi ban Pyntreikam ya gini ka hukum Naduh Lashai ka sngi ka khat lain trik ujilleo la bendrap ka kong kurba.
Regarding odd even number, because there was several orders on managing the traffic congestion in the city, I've taken strictly from the order of the High Court, mentioning 2 locations. Okay, I did not say that odd even vehicle will be allowed in the rest of the town. It's only specific areas because of the space constraint. That has been so the order has been passed, and we've seen that it has helped, but we have not gone strictly. But because I received a letter from these people, like they wanted to go to the court. So they are challenging the court order. So I was waiting for any kind of, reaction on that. But since I think so, we will definitely this week do some checking. We will definitely go all out for it.
Since the first day was implemented, either there was a compliance, the other was a checking part of the other case.
Yeah, we did not check because waiting for the reaction, on the letter, on the submission which they have given. But since we have seen that it is, the traffic on that 2 areas have really gone down and it improved, when we impose that order. So we will definitely try from our level, to sort of impose that order from tomorrow and see that, things will continue to be, the road congestion will decrease. Yeah. When you look at, we have done a study and we have a lot, the order did not come just like that because the order from the High Court was there from December and other months. Okay, so it took us some time to study why this congestion. We have reports, SP also is here, we have done a thorough report and we've seen who is causing this congestion. Okay, so basically what we have seen is that since the space constraint, these vehicles are rotating. There's no place for them to stand. They keep on moving from one end. It's like a vicious circle like that, So if we lift half of them away from the road, then definitely there'll be space for everyone to go. And mind you, it's not the private vehicles which are causing the traffic because they're not standing anywhere. They are moving. So therefore, we cannot compare that why we are doing this only for the local taxis and buses. I will definitely pass on this message to the Transport Department to kindly regulate the price and come up with some order.